Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. This is what I'm working on today, this really pretty rose set. And I'll just quickly show you the products I used. That's it. Those two colors there. And also I'm trying out this RS nail. This 5-in-1 gel, and it worked amazing. And I got a couple little sticker sheets of roses, and this is kind of what inspired the look. It's kind of like a, I don't know, Victorian rose kind of vibes happening. And I'm gonna start out, of course, by putting on a base coat, and I'm going to do the thumb, middle, and pinky in this. It kind of does look white, but it has like a tinge of pink to it, and I'm actually getting low on this color. I seem to be using it a lot. I just find it like, if you don't want like a stark white, this seems to be like a really good alternative. To me anyways. So I'm gonna have to order another bottle because this is getting low. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna start out. I'm gonna put 2 coats on of all of these, and I'm gonna use this really pretty, kind of like a dusty rose color on the pointer and the ring finger. And I'm loving using the, autumn kind of tone colors. I'm just loving them. Oh, I forgot to show you that chrome powder. Oh my God. I love that chrome powder too. It's kind of like, it's not a gold. I guess it would be like a bronze. Or a copper. I don't think it's copper. I think it's a bronze. It's got like a little bit of a pinky kind of hue to it. Although it's not the rose gold, because I do have that color and they do look a little bit different. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it is November already. This seems crazy to me. And I am not even going to lie. As soon as Halloween was over, it was bam, Christmas. Everything was Christmas. Nail girlies, I know. I know it. We are on, it's on the brain. We are like, thinking about it. Christmas is coming. I flicked on Instagram and up popped all these Christmas designs. Oh my. So I guess that's where we're going to be going soon. But I thought I needed to do a little bit more, autumn themed kind of nails before I jump right into Christmas. It seems crazy already. So I'm just outlining the edge of the white nails in the pink color, and I'm just using a cleanup brush to kind of make it kind of even. I'm not like worried about it too much. And I will do 2 coats of that as well. I thought about just painting it pink and then airbrushing it white. But honestly, that just seemed like too much work. And I didn't mind doing this. Even though it took 2 coats. It's okay. It doesn't go, too slow. I'm actually only speeding this up in 2 speed. So I think the original, this took 30 minutes for a hand. So this look, could be done in an hour-ish. Not including lamp time, but there isn't too many, lamp time. Or too much lamp time. So I'm just going to finish all this. And I didn't have the same amount of problems with this hand as I did with my first hand. I don't know what I did to my first hand, but my stickers weren't really sticking too well. And I think it's because I cleaned off the inhibition layer. So I wiped it with alcohol, and I think that messed up my stickers being sticky. They were dry, but they really didn't stick too well. This hand, I didn't do that. And it was fine. My stickers were great, as you will see. So that might be a tip. I'm not sure. But don't wipe away your inhibition layer if you are putting on stickers. So, okay, yeah, this is my second coat. I am watching Dirty Pleasure. I'm watching what's that stupid show called anyway? Oh, Love is Blind. I'm watching Love is Blind right now. Is anyone else watching that crazy show? Oh my god. I've watched all 9 seasons, and I'm on what am I on? I just finished episode 7. It's when they're all meeting each other, and then the fighting starts happening. The good times, right? So I'm just going to pick out some stickers. I just put one sticker on the pinky and the middle finger, and I kind of do 2 stickers on the thumb. But yeah, see, my stickers, they stuck fine this time. So don't wipe away that inhibition layer. Anyway, yeah, that Love is Blind, that is so crazy. Does anyone believe that show actually works? I'm on the fence. I know there are couples that are still together. It just seems crazy to me. Crazy. I don't know. Aren't these rose flowers really pretty? I just love them. Love, love, love. So yeah, so for my thumb here, I'm just trying to pick out 2 that will kind of make a bouquet, sort of, if you know what I mean. And I kind of don't want them the same as the other hand. So if you do notice at the end, when you'll see them all done, I think they're all slightly different roses on each of the fingers. So after I got these on, I'm going to... No, I was going to put a base coat on there, and I'm like, no, I'm going to put I need a matte top coat. So I'm going to put a matte top coat on each of these. Now, I did fill up these bottles here with, if you watch my last Temu haul, I bought the 3-pack, the refillable containers, and I did refill all of my bottles, and I am pretty sure that this matte top coat is the Russian matte top coat. It looks identical, and you will see it works great for the chrome powder. After I put it on, it works awesome. So yeah, so that was a little bit of acetone that I'm wiping this with now. And then I'm going to go in with this 5-in-1 gel. And I was looking for a Born Pretty dupe. I love the Born Pretty rhinestone, like the potted glue like that. I use it all the time. And it's just such a small bottle. There's only 5 mils, and I go through it a lot. And I do still buy it. Trust me. I think I bought 3 of them. They're just not, I didn't open them in my Temu hauls yet. So anyway, this worked excellent. And it's a big, huge container. And it was like, I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was pretty cheap. So if you're looking for something that's chrome friendly, this RS Nails 5-in-1 top coat, I think it's called, works really well. So I'm just outlining the outside of the white here, and as you could see, I didn't put the first 2 nails that I've already done. I didn't cure them yet, and it's not running anywhere. It's fine. It's perfectly great. And I'm just going to draw some simple roses. And if you don't know how to do this, it does take a little bit of practice. And I'm not saying I'm an expert at all, but it's basically you're just drawing like little C's, and you're making them squiggly and not perfect looking, and it kind of looks like a rose at the end. And it might be hard to see right now without the chrome powder on, but if you are having trouble seeing it yourself, you can also mix in a little bit of a opaque color just to give it a tinge of color so it's easier to see. But this stuff here is like really thick, and I'm putting it on thick, so it's easy to see. I don't have any problems. And I'm not even going to cure that nail. I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to do my other nail, and it's fine. It doesn't run or anything. It works perfect. So I'm just drawing another little flower and a couple leaves. Easy peasy. Remember, I'm only going at double speed here, so I can do that pretty quick, considering I don't think I did one of these roses since last year, but they're gonna look super cute. Giving those a cure, and then we're gonna go in with the chrome powder. And I'm just gonna hit all those spots that I did with the top coat there. And I thought about leaving this in matte and just, putting top coat over the chrome powder, but I just used too much of it, like especially with the flowers, that I didn't think that I would, make it look decent enough. So I just ended up going with a top coat on the whole thing. So I've got a makeup sponge, and I just cut the end off to give me a new spot to use, and we're just going to wipe off our excess. And yes, I really do think that refill of the Xeijayi is the Russian matte top coat. So there we are. And yeah, I'm just going to put on the top coat. And I'm going to put 2 layers on. Should I have put in a base coat over that chrome pattern? Yes, I should have. But I end up putting 2 coats of the top coat. So hopefully it's all sealed in and won't have any chipping issues. Yep, so I'll quickly put a top coat and then we will be back for the reveal. And I just want to take a second to thank you all for watching my videos and subscribing and liking and commenting when you do. Thank you so much. And here's the final look. Aren't they so cute? I think they're adorable. So feminine, really cute. Well, friends, that's going to be the end of this video. And until the next video, bye, friends.